Hi, this is the Realme C51 and I'll show you how to turn on always on display option on this device. So unfortunately we have not installed by default the AoD option, that's why we should get the application from the Play Store. So open the Play Store and in the search pool enter the Muviz Edge application. And now we should get this app, so tap the install button and wait a couple of seconds. Just tap to open the app, click to drawer over apps and find here Muviz Edge application. Click on the switcher and go back to the application, switch Edge lights to AoD and here select one from the available tabs. Just tap to apply and now let's lock the device. So we could see that the always on display option successfully enabled. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.